Lolo. Under 10, singles girls, Audrey Aitona versus Athena Lexitorio on court number 4.
Pag puro sa gitna, layuin mo. Drop mo lang, drop.
Ano pa iba-iba yung turo mo eh? Ano pa iba-iba? Pagka iba-iba. Tingnan mo lang kung saan mo yung kalagi. Yun mo ba? Sige! Ate, it's a long game. Ate, long game yan, long game. Slow down. May love ba ito?
Love,
May love set ba? Breathe! Out na eh.
Stop out. Out na yun, out.
Stay in the game, stay in the game. Focus. Ate, ate. It's okay, it's okay. Hindi siya mainit eh. Nakalaro na to eh. Hindi siya mainit eh.
Hindi siya mainit.
Hindi siya nagpalo-palo eh. It's okay, it's okay. Stay in the game. Stop, stop, stop. Napipigon siya agad. Napipigon siya. Oh. Stop. Pipikon kay. Galit siya na eh. Gusto na maglaro eh. Okay. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. Slow down.
Pagalin mo lang.
okay. Sub. 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 Slow down. Ate. Huwag kang magalit. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. Just slow down. Okay? Huwag kang magalit. It's part of the game. Ang dami na. Ang dami. Isang voice lang. Isang voice lang. Hindi mo siya matuturuan ng strategy ngayon kasi yung strategy dapat sa practice yung tinuturo.
Focus lang, focus. Focus lang. Focus.
Bigay mo, bigay mo.
Sa umpire ng court number 3.
Focus lang.
Focus, focus, focus.
Court number 3.
Focus. Nice one. Focus. Focus. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. See? Focus. Babe, stay in the game. Stay in the game. Focus. Stop. Slow down. Slow down. Relax. It's your game.
Magalin mo lang.
Outside game. Outside game.
Outside. Outside out. Sorry, sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. Huwag ka manisi na iba. Laro mo yan. Huwag ka na. Huwag ka na kasi sumali.
Okay, okay. Yan, pasok yan eh.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Slow down. Slow down.
Slow lang. Bang.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. Slow down. Just slow down.
Bigay mo maayos.
Sab, bigay mo maayos. Bigay mo maayos.
Outside.
Outside. Slow down. Slow down lang. Huwag kang magalit. Laro lang yan. Laro lang yan. Huwag kang magalit. Just slow down. Nice one. See when you slow down? See? See what happens when you slow down?
Hindi ka may...
Sab, slow down.
Outside.
Outside ba?
Wala. Ang fire decision. Straight lang. Straight. Straight lang.
Oy. Attitude. Attitude mo. Focus. Fix your attitude. Bigay mo yan. Attitude mo, ayusin mo. It's a game. Outside.
Oh, yan. Outside oh.
Anak, attitude mo. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. See? Just slow it down. Slow it down. Ate, slow down. Slow down.
Inside yan. Dito lang oh. Out.
See, that's good. That's good. It's okay. It's okay. Sab, focus mo lang, may balik sa kabila. May balik mo lang. May balik mo lang. Balik mo lang muna. Balik mo lang muna. Nice one. Balik mo lang. Balik mo lang. Nice one. It's okay. It's okay. Basta focus mo lang maibalik. May balik mo lang. Focus ka lang maibalik. Focus mo lang may balik. Balik lang, balik.
Hello. Hello po, Red Banner. Register na po sa
Nice one, nice one, Rick. Nice one, nice one. Nice one.
Hello po, Red Banner sa support. Hello. 12 under support, 14 under. Register na po sa match.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Under? Oh, hello.
That's good.
Under 10 singles boys semifinals.
Balik mo lang, balik mo lang.
Justin
Balik
Moret
mo lang.
versus Jake Leonard Moret. On court
Balik mo
number
lang.
2.
Nice one, nice one, nice one.
Sorry.
Balik mo lang, balik mo lang.
Again, under 10 singles boys semifinals. Justin Moret versus Jake Leonard Moret. On court number 3. Hello?
Okay na. Makasemis ka na.
Hello? Umpire daw po. Wala.
Nice one, babe.
Regine umpire po.
Nice one, nice one. See? See? Balik mo lang, balik mo lang. Balik mo lang, balik mo lang. It's okay. We learned that skill. We will learn that. We will learn. Balik mo lang, balik mo lang. Okay, balik mo lang. Inside, inside. Bigyan mo eh.
Hello. Court number 1 na lang po yung series na Justin Moret. Court number 1 po.